How to extract text from image using Deepseek AI. Want to copy text from an image without typing? Meet Deepseek OCR are powerful app that extract text instantly. Watch till the end to learn how to use it like pro. First of all, launch the app on your device and make sure that you are logged in with your specific account. Tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and they are able to hit the three different options, that is photo OCR, image OCR and document. Tap on upload or select image button and choose the image from your device. After the image uploaded, tap on send and request to extract text. Restart OCR to begin the process. Once the text is extracted, it will be this screen on the screen. You can copy, edit or save the extract text, and if this feature is not immediately visible, make sure that you are using the latest version of the app. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.